Hello, hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do another unboxing and review video for you guys. And before we're going to go deep to our video today, I hope you guys already watched my BMR series. I said series because this video divided for video. So we already made two videos, BMR haul and the first doll, and today we're going to do the second doll, which is this doll. If you can see, and today I'm going to do a review for this doll. So let's do it. So guys, this is the box. Look like this is the art. Let's appreciate the art. It's really cool. And this is the side. It says BMR1959. And you can pause and read if you like. So without further ado, let's open the box. I hope you guys can see it. And the themes of the box is like I mentioned in my previous video. I think it took inspired by shoebox. So this is him. So let's dive in. And at the back we have the certificate. What is so special about this box? You don't need a scissor to cut the the rubber, because you just pull and it comes off just like that. You just pull like that and it's come off. It's very easy. So this is the stand. This is his glasses. So this is him out from the box. And remember, you need to cut a little stitch here if you want to undo his outfit, which is I'm going to do right now. Be careful. So this is him look like. So he's come with this very high quality jacket. Very good material, I guess. It's kind of spongy. And not to forget this cute glasses. The stand. And he's wearing this plastic. I think the jacket or the material may be delete. So this is kind of plastic protection. So let's undo his. He's wearing jumper, you can see. And t-shirt. And huge necklace here. I take it off for a while. Okay, I need to remove this rubber material. Okay, alright, we're done. So he's wearing this plastic. I'm not going to remove it because I'm scared jacket might stain his body. So I just let it stay. And very cool shoes. And the body is I made to move body, which is I like. And I think that's it. Alright guys, before we end this video, so this is my 2 BMR collections. I already have 2, one more goes, so stay tuned for another video. Okay. Alright guys, bye.